Hello, everyone, and welcome back for question 3 in lesson 1-2. This moves us on to page 8. Here it says, recall the sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90, supplementary is 180. I know it says recall. I went through the book. I didn't really see anywhere that the book said this at any time. I know I said it in previous problems, so I don't know why they're saying recall. But here you go. There it is for the first time. The book prints it. Let's take a look at what we have in number 3 here, part A and B. It says the figure below shows two intersecting lines. Name two angles that are supplementary to 4. So let's go ahead and highlight 4 just so we're all on the same page about the angle we're looking at. And we want to know angles that are supplementary to it. So what I like to do is I like to find a straight line that includes 4. So right here, right, makes a straight line that includes 4. Right here would be the angle that is 180 degrees. I need two angles that make that up. The other angle that we'd have here is 3. Right, if I combine angle 3 and angle 4, they make that straight line. So therefore, that means they're supplementary to each other. So name two angles that are supplementary to 4. Well, one of them is angle 3, and let's reset here. And it looks like here's another straight line. So here's another straight angle that makes 180 degrees. That includes angle 4. The angle missing from that is angle 5. So those two angles are supplementary and make 180 degrees. So angle 3 and angle 5. So it says explain why the angles you named in part A must have the same measure. Well, let's take a look at this, right? Let's make a fake number for angle 4. Let's just pretend, let's say this angle is 40 degrees. Right? We'll just make up a fake number. So if I have an angle, an unknown angle, we'll call that x, and I'm going to add to that, and it's going to equal 180 degrees because that's what it means to be supplementary. Well, if the angle I'm adding in this case is 40 degrees that we see here, if I solve for x, x has to be 140. Right? The only number that would add with 40 to make 180 degrees is 140. So any one that's going to be supplementary to a 40-degree angle has to also be 140 degrees. So it doesn't really matter if it's angle 3, right, or angle 5. Right? Both of those are going to have to be the same because I need to be able to add to 180. 140 and 40 makes 180. 140 and 40 makes 180. So they're obviously going to have to be the same because they're one of two numbers adding to 180, and that second number is not changing, right? That 40 is going to stay the same.